सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
Papers to be laid on the table of the House. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Chairman, Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name, serial number 1 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, Deputy Chairman.
Shri Upendra Kushwaha.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 2 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री कृष्ण पाल।
महोदय, आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर अपने नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री वाईएस चौधरी।
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 of today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Colonel Rajwardhan Singh Rathore.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 of today's revised list of business.
Shri Vijay Sampla.
आज की कार्यसूची क्रम संख्या 6 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
डॉक्टर महेंद्र नाथ पांडे।
आदरणीय महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 7 पर अपने नाम के साथ उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमती कृष्ण राज।
अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली में क्रम संख्या 8 पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करती हूं।
Statement by Minister, Shri Mansukh Mandaviya.
I rise to make a statement listed against my name in today's revised list of business regarding status of the implementation of recommendation contained in 228, the reports of the Standing Committee of Transport, Tourism and Culture on demands of grants pertaining to the Ministry of Shipping. Since the statements are lengthy, I do not want to take the precious time of the House. I seek your permissions to lay this statement on the table.
Thank you. Motion for election to the court of the Aligarh Muslim University. Shri Prakash Javadekar.
In pursuance, that in pursuance of item number 17 of clause 1 read with clause 2 of statute 14 of the statutes of the Aligarh Muslim University, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the chairman may direct 2 members from amongst the members of the House to be the members of the court of Aligarh Muslim University in the vacancies caused due to the retirement of Shri Salim Ansari and K.C. Tyagi from the membership of Rajya Sabha on 4th and 7th July 2016 respectively.
No, let me complete. Let me complete. On this. No, let me complete this. No, let me complete this. Let me complete this. Let me complete this. Motion. No, regarding Aligarh Muslim University, motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Message from Lok Sabha. Message from Lok Sabha. Message from Lok Sabha.
That the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 29th of March 2017 passed 1. The Central Goods and Service Tax Bill 2017. 2. The Integrated Goods and Service Tax Bill 2017. 3. The Union Territory Goods and Service Tax Bill 2017. And 4. The Goods and Services Tax Compensation to States Bill 2017. The Speaker has certified that these bills are money bills within the meaning of Article 110 of the Constitution. I lay a copy each of these bills on the table.
No, please. No.
बहुत important point.
No, to all others sit. No, let me.
Manu.
Sir, no.
Manu, सभापति.
No, please. Vipula, Madam, I will allow you. Parvinji, I will allow you. Let me have to sit down. No, CC. No, I will allow her. I will allow her. Now the 2 points of order raised by Naresh ji and but yes. I will come back to side order. Raman, now you sit down. What do you want, Ramendra Rao? What is your problem? What is your problem? Tell me.
Calling attention.
Okay, it is under consideration. Sit down. It is under consideration. It is under consideration. Now, yes, Naresh Agarwal ji.
माननीय सभापति जी,
Yes, I will call you also.
संवैधानिक व्यवस्था के तहत इस
No, you
सदन
have to
में
say which role.
संवैधानिक व्यवस्था के तहत इस सदन में 12 नॉमिनेटेड मेंबर होते हैं। मंत्र परिषद उनका नाम भेजती है, महामहिम राष्ट्रपति उनको नॉमिनेट करते हैं। समाज के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों के अग्रणी लोगों के लिए इस सदन में ये व्यवस्था करी गई है। यहाँ लोग नॉमिनेट हुए, श्रीमान हम लोग तरस रहे हैं उनको देखने के लिए, वो आते ही नहीं है। पिछले में कई सदनों से पूरा सत्र चला गया उनका, चाहे हमारे क्रिकेट के तेंदुलकर हो, चाहे फिल्म चाहे और कोई हो। श्रीमान ये तो
That is not point of order.
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर है। अगर उनको है अब वो नहीं आ रही तो इसका मतलब है कि उनकी कोई रुचि नहीं है। अगर रुचि नहीं है तो उनको रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए।
No, okay.
और लोग आए जो
Now, all right.
लेकिन
Yes.
वो नहीं अगर आ रहे
ठीक है, you made your point. That is not point of order.
नहीं, ये क्यों नहीं पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर है? ये संवैधानिक व्यवस्था है, संविधान में दिया है।
You see, okay.
हाँ वो बताइए।
It is up to them to decide.
It is not point of order, it is point of disorder.
That is point of disorder.
Point of order.
See, you can, Naresh ji,
अपने दीदार तो
okay,
बात ना कहें।
Naresh ji, you can use your good offices with them. See, you can use your good offices with them and request them to be present in the house at least for a few days, whenever possible.
मैं चिट्ठी लिख दूं?
आप लिखिए। Now, Digvijay Singh ji, what's your point of order? I will allow you.
After that, I'll take it.
No, yours is point of order. That is not point of order.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my point of order is simple. मेरा सब्सटेंटिव मोशन पिछले 2 हफ्ते से लंबित है। सर, अब इनका मोशन हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा? सर, मेरा मोशन तो ले लीजिए। मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सदन के नेताजी और आप या माननीय चेयरमैन साहब बैठक बुला लीजिए, हमको 5 मिनट का समय दे दीजिए, उसके बाद निर्णय करिए। कब तक हम लोग इस बारे में बार बार आपको परेशान करते रहेंगे? मेरी आपसे यही प्रार्थना है। माननीय नकवी साहब तो यहाँ विराजमान है, कितनी बात अरुण जेटली जी उनकी मानेंगे मुझे इसमें शंका है, लेकिन फिर भी आप ही के अनुरोध पर मैंने सब्सटेंटिव मोशन दिया है। कम से कम अपनी बात का थोड़ा कायम तो रहिए नकवी साहब। आपके कहने से मैंने सब्सटेंटिव मोशन दिया है। सर, एटलीस्ट यू विल प्रोटेक्ट माय इंटरेस्ट। आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर प्रोटेक्टिंग माय इंटरेस्ट, I am asking you to protect the interest of the democracy of this country. I am asking in the interest of the people's mandate of Goa, the people's mandate of Manipur, where
don't go to the merit now.
Denied by these people, and the second largest party which was defeated by
no need to go to the merit of the subject. No need to go to the merit. Yeah, no need to go to the merit. You want to say something?
The constitution has been violated.
Nakviji,
I think
Nakvi is reacting to that.
They are asking me.
Nakviji.
To convert that into a short duration discussion.
Nakviji,
How can a short duration discussion?
Nakviji, please.
विजय सिंह जी ने जब ये इशू उठाया था तो उस समय मैंने यही कहा था कि आप जो है जो एप्रोप्रिएट उसमें रूल है उसके तहत आप नोटिस दीजिए, उसके बाद तय होगा कि क्या करना है, उसमें चर्चा कब होनी है। एक चीज, दूसरी चीज, ये बार बार हर दिन ये बात उठाना कि साहब जो है वो लीडर ऑफ द हाउस तो रोज आते हैं, आप उनसे बात करिए। तो इसलिए लीडर ऑफ द हाउस कहाँ है आप ये बार बार कहेंगे, तो ये मुझे नहीं लगा। मैं इसलिए जो है वो आपका जो सब्सटेंटिव मोशन है वो सब्सटेंटिव मोशन जो है वो टेक्निकली करेक्ट है नहीं है, वो सारी चीजें एक बार हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे।
Okay, Nakvi ji, you convey to the leader of the house.
Yes.
You please convey to the leader of the house.
Definitely, I will convey. Sir.
Yeah, that. Now, Hussain Dalwai ji. Hussain Dalwai. No, that is call attention allowed him. Hussain Dalwai. No, I called Hussain Dalwai.
मुझे बोलने दो, आपको देंगे।
Hussain Dalwai.
Sir.
Thank you, sir. No, I asked him to convey to the leader of the house. Sir, Hussain Dalwai. I have already directed Parliamentary Affairs Minister to convey the feelings to the leader of the house. I have done that. No, it is clear. I understood.
Be accepted. You accept a
He
short
cannot say
duration
that.
discussion.
He cannot say that.
Sir, he has suggested to me.
No.
Sir,
He is not to decide that. No. It is already. No, please. That is private conversation between you. No.
If I want to level charges, it has to be through a subject.
Digvijay ji, that is private conversation between you. You need not say that here.
That's a suggestion. Sir, it's a suggestion. It's not a directive. It's a suggestion which has come from a most
that is.
friend of mine.
Why do you worry about that? Government will the suggestion which is suitable to them.
That party, but
no,
sir,
Digvijay ji.
Sir, I would say.
I have already told you.
Sir,
Digvijay ji.
How long?
No.
Sir, how long?
No, Digvijay ji. Yes.
Very relevant. As per your advice, a motion has been given. And motion is a complaint against the government about its unconstitutional work. Alleged. I am not finished proof. That motion has been given before the House. Please. And admitted. And now it is to be listed someday in the business. It cannot be delayed inordinately only because the government is not responding and not giving the time. The thing has transpired like this. Government can never agree to move motion of complaint. Then they can never agree.
Chairman takes
but will you leave it to their good wishes?
Okay, now.
Will you leave to their whims and fancies?
That is okay.
That when they will agree, they will.
No, please.
That is the basic question before the House. Sir, you have to give a ruling.
No. What is leader of LOP?
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir.
Please.
Sir, I would like to support Mr. Digvijay Singh ji. We wanted to discuss this issue of Goa and Manipur. So the Honorable Deputy Chairman said that the conduct, and so did the government, that the conduct of the governors cannot be discussed in this House and particularly in a 0 hour. And it was Honorable Chair, the Deputy Chairman, who suggested that if you have to discuss this particular subject, there should be a substantive motion. So, on the advice of the Chair and so...
No, I was making the rule position clear.
Yeah.
Rule position clear.
So,
there is no advice.
And on the advice...
there is no advice.
And on the advice of the government also, they wanted discussion.
Government agreed.
They wanted discussion provided this subject is put through a proper motion. And that motion was a substantive motion. Now the motion has come in the form of a substantive motion. And that motion is pending with the Chair. And we cannot delay this. Now the session is going to come to end. Now how many working days we are left with? Day after tomorrow, the next month is coming, and we have hardly half a dozen days left to discuss the subject. And this is the urgency of the subject we have already lost. Now they are functioning, two governments are functioning without having the majority. That majority which they have, two governments, it is a manipulated majority. They have not the majority.
No, please.
The Goa Chief Minister and Manipur Chief Minister are not duly elected by the people.
Okay.
It's all managed.
All right.
It's all managed. Stolen everything.
Now that...
So this has to be discussed in the House.
Tamanji, sit down. Now that I have directed... Now please, now that I have directed the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to convey the feeling to the leader of the House, let it be...
क्लेम करने तक नहीं गए थे और मैनिपुलेटेड मेजॉरिटी कह रहे हैं। आप कहाँ गए थे वहां पर क्लेम करने? आप कहाँ थे गोवा में उस समय? आपके एमएलए क्या बयान दे रहे हैं आपके बारे में? आपके एमएलए किस तरह का स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं? आपको पेपर दिखाए? आपको पेपर दिखाए? स्टेटमेंट मिल रहा है आपको?
What is the problem?
आपके बारे में आपके एमएलए क्या कह रहे हैं? गवर्नर को जो है क्लेम करने नहीं गए।
जी, what is the problem?
आपके एमएलए आपको ढूंढ रहे थे।
What is the problem?
तो जवाब दिया।
आराम कर रहे थे।
मैनिपुलेशन में जाती है जनता के जनादेश का अपमान।
No, please. No. दिग्विजय जी, right here. दिग्विजय जी, please. I will deal. Right here. No. I will. Let me solve it. No. No.
They've gone against the mandate of the people.
Let us not go to the merit. No, Digvijay ji, this is not the time. This is not the time to go to the merit. Yes, Digvijay ji, please resume your seat. Digvijay ji, please resume the seat. This is not. No more. This is not the time to go to the merit of the subject. See, I will repeat what I said. Yes, there is a substantive motion. It has been admitted by the Honorable Chairman. It is admitted. And I have directed the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to convey to the Leader of the House regarding the subject so that we can as early as possible take up the discussion on that. Hussain Delvai had called much before. He was on his legs. No. No, this is over. No, not on this subject. Not on this subject.
हो गया है
हुसैन दलवाई
जब आप करें मोशन एडमिट हो गया है और मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी साहब जहाँ बैठे मैं भी बहुत दिन वहां बैठा हूँ। ये तरीका होता है कि विचार कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं, ओपिनियन ले रहे हैं। ऐसे हमने भी बहुत टाला।
भी ऐसा किया है
जो है कितनी दूर है।
हम यही कह रहे हैं
लीडर ऑफ हाउस का कमरा कितनी दूर है और यूपी उत्तराखंड में 8 दिन बाद इन्होंने दावा किया।
आपने भी ऐसा किया था
8 दिन।
We will do that. That is over.
ये जो है ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप करिए इसको।
That is over. Hussain Delvai, please. Sir. No. That is over. That's over. Sir. No. I had already made my point. The chair has said what he has to say. No. Chair has already made it clear. Aap baithiye. Now, Hussain Delvai. Sir. I have not ruled out it. I said there will be discussion. I told the reason also. I said there will be. Now, Digvijay ji, baithiye. I call her. आप लोग बैठिए. Mathur, you sit down there. I said that honorable member, I will call here. I will do that. I know that. You need to teach me.
गए 4 दिन से
No. This is unfair.
4 दिन से
I know.
एक गंभीर
More than 10 minutes before I called Hussain Delvai on a point of order. Backbenchers are also members with equal rights. I am saying that.
Point of order, sir.
Therefore, Hussain Delvai, what is your point?
Yes.
You said a point of order. You are not a backbencher.
4-5 दिन से मैं एक गंभीर विषय यहाँ उठाना चाहता था।
No point of order. You said point.
मेरी point of order है। ऐसा है कि बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने असीमानंद और उनके साथ 7 लोगों को एक्विट किया है।
No, this is not point of order.
जो लोग क्लास में 3 बार
No, that is no point of order.
3 बार मालेगांव, अजमेर, मक्का शरीफ 3 जगह जिन्होंने गड़बड़ी की, उनको इस तरह का वे कर रहे हैं। ये एक तरह से अन्याय है।
This is no point of order.
उनको
You can give separate notice.
एक तरह से इस तरह से चश्मे से
You give separate notice. No point of order.
और NSI के बारे में हमें डाउट।
Mrs. Praveen, yeah, no point of order. You give I will come back to you.
बहुत शुक्रिया।
बोलिए। आपका क्या पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर है
कि आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया।
यह क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
मैं औरतों के सम्मान और सम्मान से जुड़े हुए मामले की बात उठाना चाहती हूँ। एक तरफ हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी
कैन यू गिव नोटिस? आप 0 आवर पे नोटिस दीजिए। नहीं 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 जीरो आवर नोटिस मैंने पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर किया। नहीं
एक तरफ
0 आवर नोटिस दीजिए।
राजस्थान के एक मंत्री ने एक बच्ची के साथ गलत
आपने नोटिस दीजिए,
बयानबाजी की है।
नोटिस दीजिए। व्हाट इज विप्लव ठाकुर, व्हाट इज द मैटर? विप्लव ठाकुर
13 साल की लड़की का बलात्कार होता है और वो मंत्री इस तरह से बोलता है कि कोई बात नहीं।
No point of order. No, sit down. There are no point of order. Give notice. परवीन जी नोटिस दीजिए, बैठिए नोटिस दीजिए। You give notice. Give notice. Now Sri Sharad Pawar, Sharad Yadav 267. Sharad Yadav 267. Sri Sharad Yadav 267. क्या है? You give notice. Give notice. Please. क्या है? What is your problem? तो नोटिस देना है। अरे उसके लिए नोटिस देना। नो 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 No, without notice I cannot allow. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. No. What is this? क्या करते हैं? आप लोग नोटिस नहीं दिया है मेरे को। नहीं या नोटिस बिना नोटिस क्या बोलते हैं? House is adjourned for 10 minutes. 10 minutes.